What are some fiduciary roles that you would have in a typical estate plan? Now, every estate plan is different. The average plan, however, is going to have more than one fiduciary role. The common examples of fiduciary roles are that of a personal representative. Some states refer to that as an executor. In Maryland, we use the term personal representative. When you create your will, you will be required to appoint a personal representative who is responsible for overseeing the administration of your estate during during the probate process. Personal representatives are typically appointed in a will and are given control of assets during the probate process until those assets are ultimately, distributed to named beneficiaries. Personal representatives are responsible for collecting, marshaling all the assets of the deceased, paying financial debts, paying expenses, and filing any estate tax returns. You also have the role of a trustee. If you incorporate a trust agreement in your estate plan, you will need to appoint a trustee. Your trustee is going to manage and invest trust assets as well as administer the trust agreement according to the terms that you created. You also have an agent in a power of attorney. When you create a power of attorney, you have to appoint an agent, also known as an attorney in fact, who will have the legal authority to act on your behalf in legal matters. You also have an agent in an advance directive. If you create an advance directive, you will need to appoint an agent to make healthcare decisions for you if you are unable to make them yourself because of your incapacity. We also have guardians for minor children. Now, guardians are actually fiduciaries to the wards. In this case, fiduciaries to the minor children. They owe a duty of care and to act in the best interest of those minor children. And you would name a guardian in your will. You also have successors to all of the roles that I mentioned, or backups to all of the roles that I mentioned. Now, who can serve as a fiduciary? Fiduciaries, as I said before, they can be people or corporations, but fiduciaries include personal representatives. They can be real estate agents, they can be physicians, attorneys, and financial advisors, all of whom are obligated to act in the best interest of their clients. Now, with respect to that last category of financial advisors, I know that there are many financial advisors out there with many credentials attached to their names. Some do, some don't. It's important for you to specifically ask your financial planner or advisor if they are a fiduciary, meaning are they obligated to act and invest in your best interest. We as attorneys have a fiduciary duty to act in the best interest of our clients. Now, how can choosing the wrong fiduciary ruin your estate plan? Appointing the wrong person to a fiduciary role is among the common estate planning mistakes that we see. Now, to prevent you